Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dashboard on Retool in the easiest possible way. There are actually two ways to build a dashboard in Retool. The first way is to start completely from scratch, dragging components, connecting data sources, building queries, arranging layouts, and doing everything manually. It gives you full control, but it can be time-consuming, especially for beginners. The second way is much simpler, using ready-made templates. Retool provides professional dashboard templates that you can customize in just a few minutes. This is beginner-friendly, faster, and less confusing. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a sales dashboard using a Retool template. Let's begin. Once you're logged into Retool, look at the left side menu and click on Templates. Retool has a huge collection of templates: admin panels, dashboards, CRM tools, inventory management, finance dashboards, analytics, and more. You can preview each template, see screenshots, and even test them with sample data. For today's tutorial, we'll choose a template that fits the sales dashboard use case. Search for sales dashboard or dashboard, and you'll find a clean, customizable one ready to use. Click on the template you like, and then click on Use Template. Retool will instantly open it as a new app. The best part is everything's already built for you. You'll see charts, summary cards, tables, filters, date range selectors, and stats like total sales, region-wise breakdown, and trends. All the components are already arranged neatly on the screen. Now, the next step is to attach your real data. On the right-hand side, you'll see the data resources connected to the template. These might be sample data sources like mock APIs or JSON files. To replace them with your real data, click Resources, click Create New, choose your source, Excel, Google Sheets, Database, API, upload or link your data, and save it. Now go back to the dashboard and connect each table or chart to your real data by selecting your resource in the data field. For example, if you have an Excel sheet with sales data, you can connect it directly. Retool automatically updates all the graphs and tables using your data. Now that your dashboard's working with real data, you can customize it, change colors, rearrange components, rename headings, add new filters, add totals, averages, or charts. Everything's drag and drop, no coding needed. And that's it. You now have a complete sales dashboard built in just a few minutes using a Retool template. We covered the two ways to make a dashboard, building from scratch or using templates, and I showed you the faster and easier method that's perfect for beginners. If you want more tutorials like this on Retool, databases, or dashboard building, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.